Live lang naman yan. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, morning, morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May candy ka, te? Good morning. May candy ka?
Good morning, good morning. Hi.
Morning, Dan.
Ganda mo, Lydia. Nakakaya.
Good morning, Dan. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready now. Going to Volkswagen Arena.
Ako nakita si Popo niya.
Nakita na naman si Pope Leo XIV.
5 p.m. ba ang misa? So mag-practice pa lang. Karoon, angtud maghap.
Tanggalin mo kasing mask mo.
Bakit may camera, may ilaw? Ay, siyempre, para mas maganda raw tignan lang.
Lalo na po.
Joke lang, joke.
Okay. Thanks, mga choirs, mga chorus.
Mga koro.
So all these people is the choir.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to sing a song.
Yeah.
Please, can you sing us a song?
How are you, sister?
Right, good. Okay. Yeah, come on. I'd like to know. You know, so we can entrust these things to Mary. We need to entrust this entire day to Mary, to Mother Mary.
Actually, meron hindi kasi ito passenger. May ibang private.
So many people will try to come and they will maybe they will crazy people to enter.
How do you feel?
Oh, with the song?
Years.
How do you feel?
What song are you going to sing?
Where would you want? Come on, lead us. All of us.
All of us now? You will sing now? Oh, sisters, she knows.
Power of love.
Power of love.
Yeah.
How about marriage? Ano ba?
So we will sing the power of love to start, warming up, and then we sing about Mary, Mary.
Mary, ano ba yung kay Mary? Gentlewoman. Gentlewoman. Wala tayo. Gentlewoman.
Ano, isa ka.
What do you have in your
Saan sa square lang? Live camera action. Any copy?
Hi.
Nag-ano sa ano? Nag-ano si Aida?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, we are. Now,
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, we are ready.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Lives.
We are more than ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Hindi nag-copy.
Walang kopya.
Kanta daw dahil.
She was 10 years
Ayun, naghanap si sister. Oh.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb.
Nag-share kanta.
Alam niya kasi kung makakita tayo sa ano kaya.
Holy Mary.
Ata na si sister. Ah, sister.
Come on, Aida.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
Wala tayong ano.
Ah, ano?
Okay, so it's a great honor to have the choral, the choir with us today. So we want to ask you to pray together because there are so many people that are facing difficulties to enter, or they may have some difficulties. So we want to pray, and we want to entrust this entire day to Mother Mary. Okay, so she protects us, everyone, and that she help everybody to get in without issues,
Without any trouble.
struggling. Okay, so because we are with the choir, we propose a song. All together. So a song to Mary.
Ano,
Which one?
ano kanta? Which one?
Hail Mary,
We don't have cup.
full of grace.
Ano mo yung
Ano, buksan natin yung cellphone natin.
image of
Hindi mo tayo words eh.
image of ano?
Is with you.
Alin? Image of buhay-buhay.
Ano ba yung
Image of life.
Immaculate Mary.
Immaculate Mary.
I think everybody knows that Immaculate Mary.
Immaculate Mary.
Okay.
Yes, that is more.
Okay.
Okay, get the.
Yung may ano. Immaculate Mary.
Where's the prayer?
Yan.
Should we pray now? Yeah. We're looking at the quote. The lyric is the song is Immaculate Mary.